let's go back to settings, specifically to the clock, and I can show you how to make sure your time zone is set correctly. So, S for settings.
Settings menu, opened.
C for clock.
Clock settings menu, opened.
And let's see what we have in here. Let's do space.
Say seconds, shortcut is S.
So if you want to hear the time announced with hours, minutes, and seconds, you can choose that here.
Time format, shortcut is F.
Time format, which will be either 12 or 24 hour.
Set the time zone, based on your internet address, shortcut is I.
All right, set the time zone based on your internet address. The BT Speak will figure out where we are geographically based on our internet connection and set the time zone accordingly. So let's press enter to do that.
Time zone changed to America, Indiana, Indianapolis.
And there we go.
Set the time zone, based on your internet address, shortcut is I.
But let's say that's incorrect for whatever reason. We can keep going.
Change the time zone, shortcut is Z.
We can change the time zone. We'll press enter.
America, Indiana, Indianapolis.
And now we're in a menu that shows all available time zones with the current one selected. So from here you can use .1 chord and .4 chord to move back and forth through the available time zones and press enter on the one that you want to set to.
America Hermosillo. America Havana.
So if I want to be in Havana time, I can do that. I don't, however, so we'll go back.
America, Indiana, Indianapolis.
And press enter.
Same time zone not changed.
Yep, time zone not changed. Perfect. I don't want it to change.
Change the time zone. Shortcut is Z.
And if we continue going through the main clock settings menu, we also have
change the date. Shortcut is D.
Change the date.
Change the time. Shortcut is T.
Change the time. Now, if we didn't have an internet connection, you can manually set your date and time, but there's a big caveat. Once you are online, the internet time is going to supersede anything you might have manually set. So most of the time, this isn't something that you will need to do, but it is available if required. And do we have anything else in this menu? The spacebar tells us that.
Say seconds. Shortcut is S.
In fact, we do not. We're back to say seconds, which is the first item in the menu. Z chord to get out of clock settings.
Clock. Shortcut is C.
Z chord again to get to the main settings menu.
Settings. Shortcut is S.